Right here in front of me I have a selection of truly unique and exceptional chubby cables. We're talking top of the line build quality, super flexibility and also wear resistance, fast charging capabilities and the definitive way for a setup build that will stand out. Thanks to the wide color options, countless color options, these cables are especially great if you're aiming for one of these godlike setups that will completely blow your mind when you see it. So if you're looking for great looking cables, this is the video for you, so let's get right to it. Got the new drip from ChubbyCable, a great selection of their lineup. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So I got it all in this box and now check this out. Premium cases all the way. 3 of these. And then we also have these baggies right there. And in here, oh, now I get the name. That's cute. That is funny. It is actually chubby. And oh my god, wow, look at that. An aux cable. And then inside here, we also have this one and this one. This is so cool. Lastly, this one. So let's check out the paperwork. So first of all, we have the welcome note. Check it out right here. And then we also have a nice collection of dope stickers. And then let's also take a look at the pouches. So we have the back side right here and we have the front with the branding and also the closing mechanism, so to say. So that's the bag. And then we also have the hard cases, the 3 bags look the same and the 3 hard cases also. So we have the top, then this is it from the side. So a really nice hard case with a zipper with the carbon look, and that's the bottom right here. So clean looking hard cases. And we have the rubber strap for holding the cable, or we can also put it in here. So we have 6 cables in total, so we can fit 2 each in these hard cases. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So these cables are actually chubby, and what that means is they are a bit thicker than the usual cables and they look beautiful. So shiny chrome look with nice color accents in the actual USB ports or plugs actually. Same for the orange one, USB-A to USB-C once again, and they are smooth to the touch, so they feel really nice. And they also have really cool straps for keeping them nice and clean and tidy cable management. And these straps also fit the overall color aesthetics. So we also have purple and blue, nice accents. Then we have an aux cable as well, and this time is a bit different. So we have this clip lock, also with this leather look. Then a short USB-C to USB-C cable, looking so cool. The plugs are looking so dope. And then the craziest one by far is the rainbow colored one. USB-A to USB-C with the rainbow fade. And in comparison to the others, this one has a sleeved cable shell. This is fabric, and the other ones have the silicone smooth touch surface. So let's take a close look and also put them side by side. So as you can see, we have 4 long ones and they seem to be 1 meter in total length. USB-A on one side, USB-C on the other side, and then we also have 2 short ones. So here we have the different cable colors and also the build types. So we have the fabric and the silicone smooth touch cables. Then on this side, we have the USB-A side in a multitude of different finishes, although they always have the red highlights inside of the plugs. But this one, for example, is pretty much a matte blue color. Then we have the 2 silver ones, one is branded, and then we also have the black chrome finished one. And then we have the USB-C side right here. So this one matte black, 2 silver, and the blue one. These 3 have the grip rings, and this one has a different design to it. The small one also has the silver triple grip ring, and all in all pretty dope designs and really colorful. And lastly, again, the green aux cable right here, so dope. And for transport, let's grab the aux cable. Let's put it in here. Fits perfectly in here. And then let's grab the rainbow cable. And they're also super flexible and just really nice to work with. Rolling them up feels so nice. And that's one box right here. For the second one, let's grab the short USB-C power delivery cable. And then the black one. And again, rolling it up just feels so nice. There is no need to use these straps when you use the pouches. And lastly, let's see if we can also fit two of the large cables in, well, into one of them. So the orange one, easy as that. And now the purple one for the net. And there we go. Sweet. So check this out. Premium hard cases, premium cables. They feel really nice. Those are some awesome cables. And they definitely are something else. They stand out from the rest, to say the least. Not bad, right? So let's finally test them one by one. So here I have two power banks that also support fast charging. This one with USB-C and this one with a USB-A port. So first of all, we have the all black Chubby Special Black Samurai Edition. These cables are rated at the highest specs, up to 100 watts of power delivery, ultra light alloys and oxygen-free copper. And we have USB-A to USB-C. So let's hook it up and it looks amazing. And let's go. Oh well, seems that this power bank actually can't do the fast charging. But that's what I call a perfect fit. Next up, we have the Neon Chubby in orange, a fast charging cable with a smart light. So let's hook it up. And as you can see, we have the ring right here. And when it's delivering power, it will light up in this rainbow fade. Pretty dope. But once again, the power station seems to be weak, but the status LED looks amazing. And again, ultra durable design, tangle free, easy to use, and multi-device compatibility. So as you can see, there is a lot of cable. So we also have a power bank friendly cable called the Cute Chubby. And finally, we have USB-C. So let's plug it in. Thanks to the shortness of the cable, this is way nicer. We can just put it right here. As you can see, the cable length is plenty. So this is the power bank friendly cable. All right, moving on to the Rainbow Chubby, a colorful chubby cable, very affordable, and it also supports fast charging. So this time, let's hook up this power bank and the small one should charge the big one. 15 watts, not too bad. The cable looks pretty nice. It's like an RGB rainbow fade, but in real life. Next up, we have the Chubby Beat. So this is the only audio cable in here, and this will plug into any 3.5mm aux jack, of course. Super flexible, high quality golden contacts, the perfect audio cable. And lastly, we have the blue purple Chubby cable. That's the Kasha Chubby, and the color scheme of this one is of course inspired by the League of Legends character Kasha. Flexible, powerful, looks amazing. And it also comes with this nice strap. So if you're looking for high-end and ultra customizability, then ChubbyCable is the way to go. Big thumbs up from my side. So if you want to spice up your setup, this is the way to go. And not only are these cables amazing for stationary installs or, stationary use cases, they're also amazing for on-the-go adventures thanks to the Ultra Flex and just great build quality all in all. They are so smooth and soft. It's just amazing. They feel so great, especially compared to regular cables. It is very hard to go back. So yeah, when you like premium stuff, definitely give ChubbyCable a chance. It is well worth the money, and for what you will get, the price is just right. I can highly recommend it, and aside from their awesome cable lineup, they also have a wide range of other products to spice up your life and your setup, and that is definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.